Okay, 1 minus tangent square A out of 1 plus tangent square A. We want to prove this identity. So first part I'll just use simple Trigo ratios. So this is actually equals to cosine square A minus sine square A out of cosine square A. Because tangent square is actually equals to sine square A out of cosine square A. We do the same thing for the denominator. But instead of writing the denominator, I will just divide it by the denominator, which is in this form. Cosine square A plus sine square A out of cosine square A. So I'm going to divide this together, and we can see that cosine square A will actually cancel off by itself. And what we have left is cosine square A minus sine square A out of cosine square A plus sine square A. But as we know, cosine square A plus sine square A is actually equals to 1. So what we have left is cosine square A minus sine square A as shown. The next part, we need to integrate what we have found in the first part. So instead of using this expression, we use the final result. So it's the same as integrating cosine square A minus sine square A with respect to A. But recall that cosine square A minus sine square A is actually a double angle of cosine, which is cosine 2A. And this is the basic form that we need to do integration. So when we integrate cosine 2A, we actually get sine 2A out of 2 because it's a double angle. So we need to remember to divide by 2. And from the limits of 0 to pi out of 3. So we substitute in pi out of 3, we actually get sine 2 pi out of 3 out of 2. And that gives us root 3 out of 4. And when sine 0 is actually 0, so root 3 out of 4 is our final answer. Thank you.